The House of Representatives stands firm that it followed the Constitution when it transmitted the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. Here's the report.
The House of Representatives has maintained that it did not violate any law when it transmitted the verified impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte to the Senate. This was stated in one of two pleadings submitted by the House Prosecution Panel to the Senate. The House affirmed that the impeachment proceedings initiated on February 5, 2025 fully complied with the 1987 Constitution and the rules of procedure in impeachment proceedings. The House also insisted that it did not breach the one-year ban rule on filing impeachment complaints. In the same submission, House prosecutors stood firm that there was no legal basis for the return of the articles of impeachment by the Senate. The second pleading submitted was the resubmission of the prosecutor's entry of appearance. This comes after the camp of VP Sara questioned its earlier filing, claiming the impeachment court had not yet convened at that time. However, the House has not yet submitted its official reply to VP Sara Duterte's answer ad cautelam, where she asked the court to dismiss the impeachment case. Senate President Escudero clarified that once the 20th Congress opens, the House must immediately designate its prosecutors and complete all required submissions before the Senate can schedule a pre-trial or trial proper.
Sa tigas ng ulo nila, ayaw nga tumanggap ng pleading, so hindi na ako magugulat kung gagawin mo nila yon. Biri mo, pagtanggap lang ng order, pagtanggap ng pleading, pagtanggap ng answer, pagtanggap ng appearance, pati yon papahirapan.
The House, through spokesperson Attorney Princess Abante, pushed back, saying the Senate returned the articles, not the other way around.
Hindi naman kami nagpapahirap. Walang tinatanggihan, walang pinahihirapan. Ang gusto natin, isang trial na magawa forthwith.
In the middle of this back and forth, Escudero also emphasized that senator judges may vote on the pending motion to dismiss the impeachment case.
Wala namang bawal ng motion eh. Dahil collegial body ang Senado bilang impeachment court, kapag kami nag-motion at may nag-object, hindi ba, sa tagal nyo sa Senado, ano bang gagawin? E de, pagbobotohan.
Meanwhile, Vice President Sara Duterte appears to have softened her stance following her previous remarks about wanting a bloodbath during her impeachment trial. She now says she is deferring to her legal counsel's strategy rather than pushing her personal preferences.
As a client, hindi ko papairalin yung gusto ko over doon sa gusto ng abogado. Because that would mean I'm wasting my money. Ayaw ko magsunog ng pera.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.